Thank y'all so much, Riley. We got one more song for y'all. We're the Castaways. We love the great state of North Carolina. Just out of curiosity, who was with us when we played at the poorhouse? Who's never seen us play live at all? Well, we love all y'all. Thank y'all so much for being here. We got one more song. This is Hurricane. We're the Castaways. Thank y'all so much. Across the Gulf Stream, hear the South ring home. Bridges get lower, the shrimp bells coming home. But the old man down in the corner slowly turns his head to sip from his whiskey bottle. This is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train. It's gonna set that baby right. He said, it's barely 30 feet high. Won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner said, don't you listen to that boy. I'll be down by the morning and they'll be back to the morning. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. Gulf Stream, hear the sound wind, bridges get lower, shrimp boats coming home. But the old man down in the border slowly turned to his head to sip from his whiskey bottle. This is what he said. What he say, Mason? I was born in